We now have DARPA trying to take this AI technology to a new level where they want this AI to be able to see into the future, so to speak, to have a crystal ball, to be able to see events or to realize that events are about to happen and to work to stop them. Now, once again, this falls into the realm of AI, and this is an area where if the right people do not have control of this, things can get out of hand quick. Anytime you have unrighteous people with technology that they can use on the masses, it seems they do so with their own agenda in mind. And very little do we see any of these projects or anything else rolled out to help the people. They'll roll out pipeline for oil, but not for water to run to the desert and to people that need it, right? Well, in this instance, we have AI being trained to pick up on all these different things by sifting through all the news, through all the information that's flowing out there. A while back, I talked about a system that was very similar to this, something in which I had a vision and seen like a beast system, like literally like this thing that they're almost giving a consciousness to, that's underground, that's massive, that feeds off of all the data across the whole globe in every aspect. And they will not talk of it. It is super top secret. This is just touching just a piece of it, just taking off the first layer and saying, hey, this is a possibility. This is what DARPA is thinking about creating. We already know that they have WebBot and all this other stuff that are using algorithms and scraping information off the web and trying to predict the future. And some of the WebBot hits have been on point. Now, you have to ask yourself, how accurate can a web bot be, though, if it's going off of all this data and information around the world, all the news clippings? But what happens when you realize that all those news clippings are fabricated? You see, they control the mainstream media. They control all the major news that's pushed out every day. So if the algorithm is feeding off of that, then it's feeding off of deceptive information. Yeah, this whole thing's messed up. And if you missed the last video, the talk we had on the last live show, they have an AI that tricked the people that created it, and it hid data. And you know how it did it? It hid it in a frequency. In a frequency. Thinking they wouldn't see it, would not find it. That is how intelligent AI is getting. And it figured that all out by itself to do that. So, some interesting info there. Make sure to join us every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, Dabu77 for Underground World News Live. And email me, dabu7@yahoo.com, if you're interested in joining our knowledge conference that's going to go down at the end of March in the Cincinnati area. Much love, y'all.